Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make a substitute for hand sanitizer at home with readily available products. First, we will see the things we need for making the hand sanitizer. For the gel base, you will need this Alovera gel. It can be of any brand as you like it. And then we need some purified water. You can also take completely boiled water. And here is some isopropyl alcohol, which you will get in the pharmacies and all. So now I will show you how to make the whole thing. First, we will take a ball. It has to be very clean. Then we will add some aloe vera gel base to it. As you can see it. Just you have to take care of the thickness as you want it. Then add some water. This water is actually mixed for dilution. Then you need to stir the gel and water mixture. Just see it's even or not. Then we have to take the isopropyl alcohol. The whole thing should be very clean and it should be homogeneous. Some more aloe vera gels. Now the mixture is ready and this can be used as hand sanitizer. You have to store it in a clean bottle and then it's ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share as much as possible. Thank you everyone.